BETAFPV has just released the new Air65 V2 series, and today I want to see what actually changed compared to the previous Air65 version, not just on paper, but in real flying. Inside the box you get some hardware, USB Type-C connector, you also get a spare canopy, as well as the drone. But the interesting part is what BETAFPV changed to the drone itself. Before I even plug in the battery, I noticed something a little bit strange. The frame of my unit doesn't look perfectly flat, and maybe it doesn't matter at all once it's in the air. But if BETAFPV calls this the Champion, I really want to know if any details like this affects the way it flies. So we'll come back later on this on the track. Compared to the old Air65 V2 Champion, the new Champion changes quite a lot. The old Champion already has a crazy 30,000 kV motors, and this goes even further. With 36,000 kV motors, that should mean faster acceleration, sharper throttle response and more aggressive flying. But there is also an obvious question: what happens to the battery life? So during the race, I will also pay attention on how much these batteries feel useful. The biggest update is probably the electronics. The previous version comes with the older RG4 board. This one uses the Matrix 5-in-1 2-flight controller. That means the ESC rating jumps from 5 amps to 12 amps, which makes sense with these 36,000 kV motors. The VTX is also much stronger, going from 25 mW on the older version to the 400 mW on the Air65 V2 Champion. For such a small whoop, this is a massive upgrade. The board is also a little bit more thicker, which is important because tiny whoops crash a lot, and today this one definitely is going to crash. What's impressive is that even with a stronger electronic, it's still lighter than the previous version. The new frame uses optimized ducts, connecting braces, and a more overall lightweight design. The real question is whether we can feel these differences while flying. The drone comes ready to fly, so it's mainly about binding it to the transmitter and to check the configuration before flying it. And yeah, if you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Let's jump to the fun part. We are going to build a track.
It's good, does the job perfectly well.
Okay, so what's the track?
Starting from there, we're gonna go through that gate, left of the tree, around the garage. This way, through the gate from my side to that one, around it through the other one. Up there, we got a gate on top of the house, around it, through it, going through this one, lap around the house, come between these two.
It's a fun track, but first we have to warm up a bit, and then the challenge is to get the best lap out of 3 packs each. He's already crashed.
While I'm crashing.
Oh. Yeah.
That's a good one. It's great. It's got a...
Which one? The first one?
First gate is perfect there because it makes you stop and really apply your money. Perfect.
Do you still feel confident or are you nervous?
Yeah.
Yeah, by the way, this is the racing version. And yeah, here we have the new Champion. I also have the old Champion, but I will not race this. First, I will put the batteries to charge, and while the batteries are charging, I'm going to take a quick look at the Betaflight configuration that this drone has and make sure that is binded to the transmitter. We are binded now. I will just make sure I have video and I'm ready for the first run of the drone. For the video, I'm using the Fat Shark, the old Fat Shark HDO2. What the fuck? There are so many baby cameras here around. Let's do it! First flight. So the drone is on the roof. First lap. Oh God. Can't reach it. I need something to... Can you give me the broomstick?
Go ahead and ride it. Are you a wizard or not?
Thank you.
Yeah, I never want to see that again.
Here it is. Yeah. It's alive.
Disqualified. You're supposed to go to the left of them. Careful, you're supposed to go to the left of that tree.
What?
Left of that tree.
Great. One more battery to go.
We'll go plug that one. Oh!
So one propeller is not there anymore.
To focus.
Pit stop. Max Verstappen. So yeah, I think this is the only one thing you can break
Or lose.
crashing the drone.
You most likely didn't even break it. It's somewhere there in the gutter.
We got used to the track, so the warm-up is over. We are now preparing for the real challenge, fixing some stuff and recharge the batteries. We are allowed to fly 3 batteries and we will do this 1 battery at a time. Let's go!
Oh, the sun's gonna kill me.
Yeah, I know.
Poor cat.
All right. I see your feet as well. I'm looking. Oh, you're doing very well, to be honest. Very nice, bro. Huh. Man, you're racing very well, to be honest. Very well. I mean, not better racing. Yes, great. Good idea.
Yeah, just a little bit, not too much.
Nothing, you are shaking a little. You are shaking a little bit.
Great. Yeah, I am.
I'm ready to do it, hopefully.
Oh man, this one's so fun. And you have some trees. Ah, wrong move. Nice save. I get it.
Arm.
Ooh, nice one.
What?
I don't know. Okay. Stay there. I think you better land there at 3.2. You're at 3 balls. Not gonna make it anyway.
I landed.
I'm gonna take it slow for now, since I already missed the lap.
Ah, you're mafiot. You are managing the battery to get the most out of it. Brother. Oh, brother. You're alive.
Yeah, I'm still alive. Gotta finish the lap, though, right?
One new start.
Yeah, new start. Great, thanks. I missed it. Such a...
Oh, racing. Oh!
I can't believe.
Finish it. No pressure. Awesome.
We gotta do this more often. This is fun.
Yes. Okay. Let's go.
Man, I wonder if...
I still got chances.
Turns out it's not only just me feeling the pressure.
Of course.
It feels so fast when you fly it. I wonder if it's the drone, since it's the champion, or it's just...
Oh, I missed it. It's also the drone.
Must be the drone as well. Yeah, it's insane.
I finished this one. This one was finished.
Yeah.
Do I have battery for one more?
No. Yeah, that's not good.
Man, this tree is fucking crazy.
The thing, it even reset. You crashed so hard.
Let's see.
Look at the land now.
But it was a smooth lap.
It was. It is. Can I go?
Yes, everything is on. You can go. Oh.
No way.
Whoa.
Saved it.
Oh shit. Done.
I'll do it.
Oh,
Yeah, I guess that works.
I think it works.
Yeah, that's basically it. Maybe I'll do a nice ending lap.
Reset. Oh. Man.
Like 3 volts or something.
3.10. 3.505.
There we go.
I think you're the only one who landed the drone today. I never landed it. What the hell?
You got some jello?
Yeah, something not. Something is
You
not.
finally landed the drone.
Something is not right. Yeah, so I had the screw ripped together with a piece of frame, so I removed that piece, reinserted the gummy, and screw it in what remained here. I hope it holds and it flies well, because now it doesn't have such a good vibration dampening. But we will see. Okay. Ah, it's much better.
Yeah, no jello this time. That's
No.
not good.
No!
Try turtle mode. I don't want to climb it. I mean, I don't want you to have to climb it. Hope it doesn't end up in the gutter. Oh, okay, perfect. Oh, close one. Through the trees.
Technically speaking, the second lap is all.
I get it. Don't move.
It's fucking.
Where is it?
Counts, right?
I mean, yeah, definitely counts. That was a good lap.
I can't see anything in my goggles, if you can imagine. I need to land.
What do you mean you can't?
It blacked out. Look at it. Before finishing the lap, and I finished it like this.
Those were one of your best laps.
Yes, let's go.
That one. We go all over the place, but they're fast.
Oh, it's alive!
Man, that's insanely fast. Love this drone.
The final conclusions are clear. The Air65 V2 Champion definitely outperforms the Racing Edition. Is it a pilot? Definitely not. That was it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you consider buying such a drone, check the link in the description, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!